Yeah, yeah,
Christian C.
I've been trying to make it out this hellhole that I'm living in. Everybody saying to me don't know who I could call a friend. It's a lot of niggas crap that I won't get a chance to bet again. It wasn't fault on your fault on my dog just to the end. With my eye wearing off, I'm booting up just to be born again. I told her to keep praying for me, feel like Swaz was born again. I guess I fucked up, with my heart was open and I'll let you in. All your friends I don't know how I'm gonna explain it, I'm sorry I've been living dangerous. This ain't the one that was speaking before. I tried to tell them Swaz will change, but they ain't believe me. And just when I thought it was easy, it's all in my heart if you leave it. I thought that was all that I needed. Oh, don't be throwing me off. You told me that it ain't that hard. Maybe penny drugs what we are. They make us forget who we are. I don't leave and I'll be back tomorrow. I just put the start on my car, but you know that I ain't going far. But I pick up when the money call. Baby, got my whole life been done. I try to tell you, I don't know where to start. When I get too high, this shit get hard. Maybe that's because my arm fell apart. Maybe it's because I'm a whole other person. Running to the drugs every time a nigga ain't. I'm gonna tell him I'ma do some curses. I'm gonna tell him I'm shy. Look at my eyes, baby girl, I told you this not the Swaz. I still think about the night. I seen no life knowing I could've died. No, I ain't living right, but so far life been a hell of a ride. Supposed to be just you and I, but you was not on my passenger side. But I ain't gon' lie, I've been abusing the drugs that I like. And I ain't chasing the high, but I do wish it was lean on my eyes. Holding to make everything turn nice. Some got me thinking all about my life. I do a good job, make it look alright. You know how bad I wish it was a lie, I don't know how I'm gonna explain it, I'm sorry I've been living dangerous. This ain't the one that was speaking before. I tried to tell them Swaz will change, but they ain't believe me. And just when I thought it was easy, it's all in my heart if you leave it. I thought that was all that I needed. All that I needed. Thought it was all that I needed. I think about you no sleeping. I wake up and my soul bleeding. All that I needed. Thought it was all that I needed. Thought it was all that I needed. Thought it was all that I needed. I know I ain't need you, but I thought it was all that I needed. I ain't need you, this whole was all that I needed. It's like the Swaz.
I don't know what I'm doing. I just want a pack of head nuts, like 4. Oh my god. Where are these head nuts? I keep seeing like little bolts like this, and I'm so happy that it's not this though. Oh, that say 28 cents. I thought it said $28. I was about to say, what the fuck? Sheesh. My heart dropped. Yeah, I think I'm gonna ask somebody that works here. Yeah, let's go ask somebody, because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, wait, hold on. What's this? But I need that little ball at the back of it, the head nut. Yeah, I need to find some. Head nuts. Like it goes on a, yeah. I was in the aisle with the nuts and the bolts, but it wasn't like the head one that screws on. So I don't know if I'm overlooking it or. You know.
Let me call Phil.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't want to take any chances. Hey, Phil. I would say it would be somewhere now, 12.
Yeah, I was just.
Where would the head nuts be at?
Ask him, can he come back in?
Customer would like for you to come back with her. Okay, I'll have her meet you in 12.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my God, see, I told y'all. I knew he didn't know what he was talking about. Like, I knew he wasn't going to know what he was talking about. Something like he was very sweet, very nice, and that's what I got from him, nice. But it just didn't give. He knew he was going to know what I was talking about. So that's what I meant by, you know, when I had first saw him and what I said. I wasn't trying to be rude, y'all. It's just, you know, he just don't look like he know it. You know what I'm looking for. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when the guy comes in aisle 12. Hopefully he doesn't take long, but I'm gonna continue to look.
I go on the shop. That's all I do.
You're Frank?
I'm Franklin.
Oh, okay.
We got a Frank and a Franklin in here.
Okay, I think he called Frank, but he was taking a while. I just need the head nut, like these, but I need the big one.
You mean like with a safety thing on it?
Yeah, it has like the
these.
flat.
Yeah,
it looks like that. And on the video, he called it a head nut.
See if that fits on.
Oh no, I need the flat.
Okay, but you can still see if it screws on there. That way we know what diameter to get.
It's tight, it won't screw anymore, so no.
You need to kind of like this.
I have the thing right here. I just need the nut that goes on the outside. It didn't come in the box. They didn't come with 4 of them.
Is that long enough?
Yeah.
You could put it right in there if he didn't show you that.
Oh, yeah, no, he didn't. Thank you.
So if you put it, like, figure out which one it is.
Mm-hmm.
If that's a bike, you might see it says metric and standard, so it's probably one on the standard side. Possibly. Okay. You're in the same search that I am. And then just try to wind it in there a little bit, and then that'll at least narrow you down.
Thank you.
Drugs, baby, I've been off them often. I still wanna know where you love me inside the car. I just took a shot of Donnie kicking, then I'm getting nauseous. I swear when you left my side, I was broken, left heartless. Had to fake the fact I didn't even joke to save me. Nigga, it's the same pain I dealt with since a baby. I know I can't tell you everything, but this shit get crazy. Not even umbrellas could stop the rain. I had to get creative. Bitch, I'm self-made, I was never created. They said to never turn your back on whoever had raised you. I got some weed and grabbed a scale trying to save us from slavery. They tell me what I'm supposed to do on my head and I hate it. I can't wait to say that we happy we made it. Learned a lot from the streets, we are well educated. Remember all that fake love and I'm turning to hatred. Try to tell you bear with me, I'm sorry I'm faded. All what got me was that was a hallucination. Trying to get track of last night, I woke up to sedated. Don't end up on the road, I'm just hoping I make it. At least I got some of the things I said and prayed for. With some young niggas stuck and now we ain't need a label. I don't even watch TV, I told them cut the cable. Tell myself everything I know, back then I wasn't able. Relying on these drugs for to keep me stable. I was just reaching for my cup, my soul fell off the table. Burning roses, I don't feel no love, no this shit ain't fable. I know this shit ain't fake. I spend all day chasing chicken, don't ask me what I ate. Niggas that ain't in my circle, so tryna get a plate. But we ain't never satisfied, all time we never ate. Now we got shit they otherwise, but I don't never break. I can't wait to say that we happy we made it. Learned a lot from the streets, we are well educated. Remember all that fake love and I'm turning to hatred. Try to tell you bear with me, I'm sorry I'm faded. I woke up and you was there, was a hallucination. Tryna keep track of last night, I woke up to sedated. Don't end up on the road, I'm just hoping I make it.
So I ran into another problem with the brakes, and yeah, I don't know what I did. I loosened something, and now it's not. Oh shoot, it's not. The brakes aren't working. So I'm about to figure that out. I already figured this out with the bolts. I got those bolts at Lowe's. So yeah, I'm gonna figure this out. It is what it is. Stuff just be happening. So it's okay. But once I fix these, the other two bolts that need to go on the back, matter of fact, I need to see if they'll go on the back. I need to see. Yeah, when I went to Lowe's, the Lowe's by my house, they only had 2 bolts, and I need 4. So I'm just gonna go to a different Lowe's and get 2 more bolts for the training wheels in the back, and then that's all I have to do left is just put the training wheels on. Once I get 2 more bolts, and then it's done finally. This has look, that's not even sweat. That's not edge control. It was melting in the sun. But yeah, so that's all I have to do is just put the wheels on the bike, the training wheels, and then we're good for real. And then I'll put the front piece on the bike. This part, I'll put that on the bike last. I need to make sure the brakes are good. Yeah, that's easy. I can put that on after. And then we're done, y'all. That's it. I'm tired. Long journey. A long journey. 2 trips to Lowe's. It's been a long day. Well, not really a long day, but yeah, trying to figure out which bolt fits on there. And then the second time I went to Lowe's, I forgot the tire. So I had to run back in the house and get the tire. Thank God I brought that, because otherwise I wouldn't have found the correct bolts. But yeah. It is what it is. It's gonna get done. I'll always get it done, you hear me? I'm determined. Saint's birthday is tomorrow. I'm determined to get this done, and I'm going to get it done. Watch. If not today, like if I don't go to the other Lowe's today, I'm gonna just go early in the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna go early in the morning. But right now, what time is it? 3:30. I have to pick up Saint at 4 from the bus stop. So Saint old bike has training wheels. I'm gonna see if they have the same nuts to put on his training wheels on this bike. So I'm gonna see if it fit. If it fit, that'd be perfect. But let me fix these brakes first. I'll be back. So I put the new bolts on. Forgot I had to add this. So now I gotta take them off again.
Yeah, this ain't the spot. Look inside your eyes, can tell it all. You ain't ready. You had told me when we met, you love hard and your heart heavy. But I don't wanna talk about mine. For to get shit off my mind, I've been taking drugs all the time. But I just can't explain it. The way I'm living dangerous. The picture how I paint it. And when I talk to God, to him I need an angel. And all the ones by my side, the guys ain't no strangers. They told me that I could do anything. They never thought I'd do this. Got down about the game of wedding ring. They thought I blew it. Sometimes it get hard to compensate, cause I be too lit, I be too high. Right now I'm tripping bad. Baby, keep it real when you think about my past. I just stood up on my feet, hope I'm full on my ass. You know everything I do, so I was gonna give them gas. Everything sound better with a cup inside my hand.
Puddle. Yeah, you said you didn't want no toys. You said, don't get me nothing. Don't get me nothing. I'm like, you don't want nothing for your birthday? Okay. What happened? Why did you say that then? You was kidding. Hey, you was kidding.
Yes.
It's a big room, but all the hearts you feel alive. Even I ain't understand when I said I try. But that's the shit I gotta do, but it's not the size. I be getting high as fuck, trying to get you out my head. I ain't done trying to pray to God, myself along the edge. And I ain't even asked first, just say go ahead. You don't swear
Me.
My niggas tell me it's a good night. I know if I got a problem, bringing a nigga here. And then we run out of options.
Are you happy?
Kill about it, then we can't let you in. How you feel about it, make you let you stand. Don't believe it, probably this shit is not pretend. I'm going out with a win on my mama. I'm facing 1,000 problems. So I don't got too